Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if your File Explorer tabs are missing on your Windows 11 computer, and this was a features updated or included with the Windows 11 release 22H2, and there are certain error and issues why they are not appearing. And some common reasons for these issues are corrupted update, incorrectly installed update, and corrupted system files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart File Explorer. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar. So dito lang sa blank space area ng taskbar, so kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. So once na-open mo na tong Task Manager, ang next step ay i-select mo lang dito or i-locate mo dito yung Windows Explorer, or dito sa gitna makikita mo dito yung searching address bar. So click mo lang yan and then i-type mo lang dito yung Windows Explorer and then mag-appear kagad dito. So ang gagawin natin dito is to restart. So ang gagawin mo, select and right click and then click mo lang dito yung restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan and wait natin. So once nakapag-restart na tayo dito sa Windows Explorer Task Manager, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to remove File Explorer cache. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung File Explorer, and next step, so click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong File Explorer, and then dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot, ito yung see more. So i-click mo lang yan and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung option. At dito sa folder options at dito lang sa general tab, and then dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung clear. So under dito sa privacy at dito yung clear, and then i-click mo lang itong clear. And then next step, i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the system file checker. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix File Explorer tabs missing or not showing in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.